Okay. Yeah, let's start. So today we'll discuss about Informatica, the basics of Informatica. What is that? What we will use it? What we will learn here? Okay, all those things we'll discuss now. Okay. So you are all joined a training called Informatica PowerCenter. There is a training called Informatica PowerCenter 10. The version you are learning here is Informatica 10.2.0. Okay. So in real time also you will be working on the same version. Okay. So 1 second, please. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So Informatica, what is Informatica? So why we will use Informatica? Okay. So is my voice is clear, guys? Is my voice is clear? Yes. Yeah. If my voice is not clear, increase your volume, please. If my voice is not clear, there is a problem with your side. Okay. From my side, it is good. From my side, it is good. Give me 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. One minute, please. Please wait. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. 1 second. Yes. So you are all discussing about Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0. In real time also, you will be working on same thing. Okay. So Informatica PowerCenter is a tool. It's not a software programming language. It is a tool like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It is a tool. It is very easy tool. You can easily learn Informatica. It is very easy tool. You can easily learn Informatica. Okay. So now, what is Informatica tool? It is a ETL tool. ETL means extract, transform, load. What is this extract, transform, load? All those things I will tell in some time. What is this extract, transform, load? I will tell in some time. Okay. So extract the data from source, target, what are those, all those things. We'll see in some time. We'll see in some time. Okay. So ETL means extract, transform, load. Extract means read. Extract means read the data. So we'll read the data, we'll transform the data, we'll load the data. All those things we will do it. Okay. All those things we will do it. Okay. So what is ETL? I will tell in some time in clear-cut manner. Now, before coming to the ETL, there is a concept in software called business intelligence. Business intelligence. Okay. Under business intelligence, we were having data warehousing, data mining, data visualization. What is data warehousing, data mining, data visualization? We'll see later again. Now, our Informatica will come under data warehousing technology. Our Informatica will come under data warehousing tool. In data warehousing, there are two types of tools available. There are two types of tools available. What are those tools? ETL tools, reporting tools. These things, Informatica, IACS, Talent, Data Stage, Snowflake, Ab initio, SSIS, Pentaho, these are all called ETL tools. These are all called ETL tools. Okay. So what we will do these ETL tools? Why we will use these ETL tools? What are the reporting tools? All those things we'll discuss in some time. We'll discuss in some time. Okay. So now we'll go. So what we are doing? Okay. Our Informatica will come under. Okay, data warehousing. Informatica will come under data warehousing. Okay. So these are the, in data warehousing, there are two types of tools are there. What are the ETL tools and reporting tools? What we will do with these tools? We will see now. Okay. Before going to there, okay, I want to ask you something. Data. What is data means? Anybody? What is data means? You can reply in the chat, please. You can reply in the chat. What is data means? Information. Data means information. Okay, information. So now, what are the daily basis? What are the data you will see on the daily basis? What are the data you will see? What are the data you will see on the daily basis? Okay, so the data is like banking data, insurance data, okay, grocery data, okay, hospital data, okay, then movie data, okay, or educational data, okay. These are all called data. Okay, data means whatever they are entering. Suppose if you go to bank, you will deposit 10,000. Your cashier will deposit 10,000 rupees. Okay, that is called the data. If you go to the grocery shop, okay, once you take the grocery, okay, he will enter whatever you took. That is also called data. Okay, that is also called data. Okay. Now what we will do with the data? What we will do with the data? We will see now. What we will do in the data? We will see. First of all, why we need to use Informatica? Okay, what is the use of Informatica? What is the use of Informatica? We'll see now. Okay, or data warehousing. What is the use of data warehousing or Informatica? We'll see now. Okay, suppose you have a business. Suppose I have a business or somebody have a business. Okay, that business name is Big Bazaar. You know, everyone, you know, Big Bazaar is a grocery. It's a retail business. It is a retail business. Big Bazaar is a retail business. Okay. In Big Bazaar, what normally Big Bazaar people will do? Okay. So Big Bazaar is having almost throughout India, there are 50 branches are there. Throughout India, there are 50 branches are there. Okay. Let's take one branch. Indiranagar, Bangalore branch. Let's take one branch called Indiranagar, Bangalore. Okay. Now, if I have a business means, suppose I have a business, what I will see end of the day? If I have a business, what I will see end of the day? I will see profit or loss. I will see sales. What are the sales per day? What is the profit of, did I get the profit or loss today? Okay. I will see how much sales happened today and I will see profit or loss. Okay, fine. Now what will happen? Okay. There is a branch, Big Bazaar, Indiranagar in Bangalore. Okay. So today, okay, on 10th of October, 2022, okay, suppose, or yesterday, 9th of October, 2022. Okay. So 300 people entered into this branch. 300 people entered into this branch. Okay. This branch. So 300 people entered means each and every person has took some groceries, and they have paid to the cashier. Once you suppose you went to like 300 people, you went to Big Bazaar. Okay, you paid 1,000 rupees to cashier and you took the goods, whatever the groceries you want. What he will do? He will enter all your goods and you will click print. Once you click print, the print will give. So you will pay the cash to him. Okay, and he will give the bill to you. Like that, 300 people are there. So today, some 15 lakh rupees sales happened. So in Big Bazaar Indiranagar branch, okay, in Big Bazaar Indiranagar branch, 15 lakh rupees sales have happened. Today, for one day, 15 lakh rupees sales happened. Okay. Now, how they will calculate profit? They will check this is sales per day. This is sales per day. And they will check expenses per day. They will calculate expenses per day. What are the expenses? Rent of the building. Okay. And maintenance of the building. Employee salary per day. And then groceries cost. Okay. All these things are called. Okay. Suppose a soap is there. For Big Bazaar, it might have come to 50 rupees, but they will sell. Okay. They will sell 60 rupees to you. Okay. So like that, groceries cost. Okay. They will calculate expenses per day. Sales per day is 15 lakh rupees. Expenses per day is suppose 10 lakh rupees. Expenses per day is 10 lakh rupees. Okay. What are the expenses today? 10 lakh rupees. Now, what is the profit they got today? What is the profit they got? Profit equal to sales minus expenses. Profit equal to sales minus expenses. Sales minus expenses. How much? 5 lakh rupees they got the profit. So yesterday, Big Bazaar got 5 lakh profit for Indiranagar branch. Okay. Like that, in Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Okay. There are 10 branches. Okay. In Chennai, there are 15 branches. Okay. In Hyderabad, there are 6 branches. Okay. 6 branches like this go on. Throughout India, there are 50 branches are there. At the end of the day, what Big Bazaar CEO want, what a Big Bazaar owner wanted, okay? What a Big Bazaar owner wanted, he wants the reports, business reports. He wants who wants? Big Bazaar owner or Big Bazaar CEO or Big Bazaar list of the people who handle the Big Bazaar. They wanted what? They wanted the profit or loss report. They want the business reports. Who will generate these business reports and how they will generate the business reports? Let's see now. Okay, so there is daily the transactions are entering. Okay, daily transactions are entering in where? In the each and every Big Bazaar. The daily transactions are entering. Okay. Ultimately, they wanted, who wanted? Big Bazaar CEO, Big Bazaar owner, okay, or CEO. What he wanted? Business reports. What kind of business reports he wanted? Daily report. Okay. Daily in Indiranagar, I got profit or loss. What is the sales? Weekly report, and monthly report, quarterly report, yearly report. So for Indiranagar branch, I want these many things. For Indiranagar branch, I want these many things. Same way, I want branch-wise report. Okay. Suppose in Bangalore, there are 10 branches are there. In Indiranagar branch, these I wanted. In Jayanagar branch, these and all I wanted. In JP Nagar branch, I wanted all these things. Okay. Branch-wise report. Then after that, city-wise report. Okay. So total Bangalore, what is the sales? In Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Total Bangalore, what is the sales? That is city-wise report. State-wise report. Okay. They wanted statewide report. And they wanted what? Zonal-wise report. South zone, north zone, red zone, like that. Country-wide report. countrywide report. So these are the reports ultimately what a business, any business wanted these many things. Any business wanted these many things. Okay, please wait. One second, guys. Hold, please. Just give me a second. Okay, so we want ultimately what any business wanted, they wanted the reports. Why they wanted the reports? What is the use of these reports? To make the business decision, to make the better business decision, to make the better business decision. They wanted these kind of reports. They wanted, suppose Indranagar branch is there. Indranagar branch, okay, in January month, it got 5 lakh loss. It got almost 30 lakh loss. Okay. On February month also, it got 15 lakh loss. Okay. In March month also, it got almost 20 lakh loss. Okay. In April month also, it got almost 25 lakh loss. Then they will see 1 or 2 or 3, 4 months, and what they will take a business decision now. What kind of a business decision they will take? I need to remove the Indranagar branch, and I can put in a good other location, because daily getting every month, if I'm getting the loss, means there is no point in running the business. So these kind of business decisions they will take on what basis? On the business base, on the reports basis, Now, data warehousing people, data warehousing developers, data warehousing people, or by using data warehouse, we can generate the business reports. Okay, are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? What is the goal of any business? Any business, please. If you take any kind of business, if it is a banking business, if it is a educational business, education also business. Okay, and if it is a insurance business, if it is a any other business, okay, if it is a healthcare business, whatever the business, ultimately by the end of the day, they wanted the reports. To make the better business decisions. They want the reports. Okay. Now, how the data warehousing will generate the reports? How the data warehousing generate the reports? See, please. Okay. As I told you, data means what? Data. Okay. Data means what? Whatever. See, suppose if you go to Big Bazaar, you took 1,000 rupees worth groceries. And you give it to cashier. What cashier will do? He will enter, or you go to ICICI Bank. Okay. When you go to ICICI Bank, you will deposit 10,000 there. When you deposit 10,000, what cashier will do? He will enter your 10,000 in his system. Once he click on save, the data will store. In where? Data will store in where? Data will store in database. Okay. Now, there are two kinds of data. Data is two kinds. What are the data? Two kinds. Okay. Two kinds is, okay, data can be come in the format of tables. Data can be in the format of tables, or in the format of files. Data can be stored in the format of tables or in the format of files. Okay, so ultimately See, college data, banking data, grocery data, every data, it should store somewhere. It should store somewhere. Storing of the data is called database. Storing of the data is called database. Now, this data can be two forms. Data can be two forms. Data can be stored in data can be stored in two forms, tables and files. If the data is stored under rows and columns, if the data is stored under rows and columns, okay, this is called a table. If the data is stored under, okay, if the data is stored under columns and rows and columns, if you see, okay, so suppose like this, okay, so this horizontal lines is called rows, okay, or records, okay. The vertical lines are called columns, okay, or fields, or attributes, columns or fields or attributes, okay. Suppose if you take a student data, the student data is stored in the format of rows and columns. Now how? First columns, student number, student name, okay, student number, student name, marks, city, state, like this. These are called columns. Now, what are the columns? Student number, student name, marks, city, state. These are called columns. These are called what? Columns, please. Okay. Under this, we can insert the rows. Suppose if a student entered, if your clerk entered the student details, it will store like this. In the database, it will store like in the format of rows and columns. Student number 10, student name Raj, student marks 70, state, city, Bangalore, state, Karnataka. Like this, we can store. So this horizontal line, suppose 20, Ram, okay, 80, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, okay, 30, okay, Ramya, 90, Hyderabad, okay, Telangana, okay, 40, okay, Divya, okay, 100, Pune, Maharashtra. So now these are called rows or records, and these are called columns. Okay. If the data is stored in the form of rows and columns, that is called a table. If the data is stored in the format of a file, that is called a data file or a flat file. That is called a data file or a flat file. Okay. If the data is stored in the format of rows and columns, those are called tables. If the data is stored in the format of files, that is called data file or a flat file Now, first we'll see about database now. First, leave about files, we'll see later. Now we'll see about database. We'll see about now database. What is a database? We'll see now. Okay, database. Okay. Before that, table. What is a table? What is a table? What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Rows and columns is called a table. Is a collection of rows and columns. It is called a table. Table is a form of collection of rows and columns. It is called a table. Now, collection of tables is called a, this is table 1. Okay. So this is table 1. This is table 1. Table 1. This is table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, table 6. Now, collection of tables is called a database. Collection of tables is called a, so this is table 1, this is table 2, this is table 3, this is table 4, okay, table 4, okay, table 5, table 6, this is table 6. Now, this collection of where the tables will store under database. Tables will stored under database. Data will store under tables. Data will store under tables. Okay. And tables will store under database. Tables will store under database. Examples of databases are same. Again, insurance database. Okay. College database. Okay. Movie database. Okay. Banking database. These are the what are these? These are the database. These are the, okay, these are the examples of databases. Examples of databases. Are you clear, please? What is the database? Are you clear what is the database? Everyone able to understand, please? Able to understand? Okay. Next. Next, please. See, what you need to do is, I told you already, you have to listen the session. You have to join on time. Please, if the session is at 9:30 a.m. means, please join by 9:15 a.m. Don't join at last minute, please. Don't join at last minutes. Okay. Join by 9:15 a.m. Okay, join on time and listen carefully, please. Join on time. Always join from laptop. Always join from laptop. Don't join from mobile. Okay. If you don't have laptop, then you can join on mobile, but still you can always join and listen carefully, please. You no need to write anything. Just listen this 2.5 hours, 2 hours. That's it. You will not know how these 2 hours went. How these 2 hours went, you will not know at all. So just listen carefully. If you listen carefully, then you can understand. If you understand carefully, then you can practice. If you practice carefully, then you can get a job. Okay? Then you can get a job. If you don't listen carefully, then you cannot understand. If you cannot understand, you cannot practice. If you cannot practice, you cannot get a job. So listening is very important. Please take a calm room where nobody are sitting, okay, and put your mobiles in silent, okay, and don't talk with anyone while the session is going on, okay, and just what you need to do, and just listen carefully, please, okay. So please, I will provide all the material. Don't worry, I'll provide all the material. Okay, now, if you see, okay, now, so database tables. So data will be stored in the rows and columns. That is called a tables. Tables will be stored under database. Collection of tables is called a database. Collection of tables. Collection of tables. Collection of tables is called a database. Collection of tables equal to database. Collection of tables equal to database. Okay. So what you can do now? Now where these tables exist, how these tables exist, we will see now. How these tables exist, where these tables exist, how to see the tables, we will see now. We will see now. Okay, now, okay, if you are going to a big bazaar, suppose you are going to a big bazaar, okay, suppose, okay, cashier in big bazaar, this is big bazaar, suppose, in big bazaar, okay, cashier, what cashier will do? Cashier will enter the transactions. Will enter the transactions. Transactions means what? Whatever you are doing, right? Whatever you are giving the sales. Suppose you are giving 1,000 rupees. Another guy given 5,000 rupees. Okay, he has done one transactions. Now all these transactions will go and stored in a table. Suppose there is a table called sales. 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 Okay. Now in Big Bazaar, there will be a database. There will be a database. In the database, suppose this is the database. Internally, Big Bazaar is having a database. Internally, suppose this is a database. This is a database. This is a in Big Bazaar system, they have got one database. This is database. Inside this database, there are many tables will be there. Inside this database, there are many tables will be there. One of the table name is sales. One of the table name is sales. Now, whatever the cashier enters, cashier what he will do? He will open a form. There what it will be there? Customer mobile number and what and all you took, he will enter, and when you click on print, these transactions will go and save in a table called sales table. The data will stored under sales table in the format of rows and columns. In the format of rows and columns, the data will store in the sales table. Now, what Informatica will do now? You are coming to Informatica now. So this type of transaction tables are called OLTP tables. This type of tables are called OLTP tables. What are these called? OLTP tables. These are all called OLTP tables. OLTP means online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. So when you go to Big Bazaar, okay, when you take any groceries, okay, so when you pay, you will enter all your details, and when you click print, it will give the print to you. Internally in backend, the data will stored under a table called a sales table. Okay, so this kind of a table is called a OLTP table. Now, by using Informatica, so Informatica is a ETL tool. What is this? Informatica is a ETL tool. It is an ETL tool. ETL means what? Extract, transform, load. Extract, transform, and load. Extract means read the data. Extract or read or get what? The data. Extract the data from OLTP table. Extract the data from OLTP table. OLTP table. Transform it. Transform means modify the data. Modify the data and load or write. Load or write or put the data. So this OLTP table also called a source table. Okay, and put the data into OLAP table. OLAP table. This is also called target table. This is also called target table. So Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. Sorry, it is a ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. Informatica, one second, please. Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. So by using ETL tool, what? We will get the data to, Informatica, what it will do? So this is Informatica, suppose. This is Informatica. This is OLTP. This is source. These are source tables. This is what? This is actually source or OLTP. These are sources, source tables. Okay. Now this is Informatica. Suppose this is Informatica. This is Informatica. Okay. This is Informatica. It's a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. What we will do? We will get all the data. This one will come here. This one will come here. This data 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 will come here. Okay. It will modify the data. Extract. This is called extract the data from source. Here, as per the business logic, whatever the okay, business people wanted, what we will do? Informatica people will modify the data or will transform the data. And after that, what we will do? We will load to OLAP tables. What are these? OLAP tables. Okay. What are these are called? OLAP tables. Okay. OLAP. These are called target tables. These are called target tables. Target tables. Target tables. Okay. So what? These are OLAP tables. OLAP means online analytical processing. Analytical processing. Online analytical processing. Online analytical processing. Okay, is called OLAP. In OLAP also, we will be having a database. That database is called a data warehouse. This database in OLAP or in target, whatever it is there, that is also a database, but we will call it as a data warehouse. Okay. Whatever the modified data, we will be having again tables here, but these are OLAP tables or target tables. We will, from Informatica, we will send it to these OLAP tables. We will send the data to, we will send the data to these OLAP tables. These OLAP tables. These OLAP tables. Okay. This is called ETL process. Okay. What? Whenever the cashier enters, it will go and store in a table. It will go and store in a table. Okay. Now, like this, we have multiple tables in the database. That is a source table. That is also called OLTP tables. Okay. Daily transactions are happening. Now, based on the business requirement, we need to generate the reports, right? To generate the reports, we need to modify the data as per the business logics. We will do the truncations. We will do the sums. We will do it. We will do aggregations. and we'll do many things. We'll modify the data and we'll send it to target. Again, this is a database, but this is called a data warehouse. That means this is raw data. These are raw data. Whatever the data in the data in the OLTP tables is called a raw data. Just whatever they enter, we will take it. Now, based on the business requirement, what we will do? We will modify the data. Based on the business requirement, we will modify the based on the business requirement, based on the what they wanted, what kind of reports they wanted. Based on that, we will modify the data by using Informatica, and we will send it to data warehouse. The target tables will be there. Those we will send it to target tables. Okay, now reporting people will be there. Reporting people who are there? Reporting people will be there. One second, please. Okay, now after loading, so ETL people, what they will do? ETL people what they will do? They will enter, they will extract, transform, and load it to target tables. These are called target tables. Okay, now reporting people will generate the reports from the target tables. Who will generate the reports? Reporting people. They will report 1, business report 1. This is business report 1. This is business report 2, business report 3. From where? From this data again. After analysis of the data, they will generate the reporting people will generate the reports. These are all reports. These are all business reports. These are all what? Business reports. These are all business. That's whatever I told, right? Whatever I told. What are those? Okay, so monthly wise report, all those things, it will. So what we are doing by using Informatica, we will get the raw data to Informatica. We will modify the data and load it to some tables again in the other database. That database is called a data warehouse. From data warehouse, the reports will generate. From data warehouse, the reports will generate. Reports will generate. Are you clear, please? Are you clear, please? Every database, every data, whatever the business we have, ultimately, if you go to college, clerk will be entering the transactions. If you go to bank, cashier will be entering the transactions. If you go to insurance, a person will be entering the transactions. All those transactions will be stored in the raw format. Just a data, whatever the data, we will pick it and we'll modify it. We will modify it and we'll load it to some target tables, some tables. Those are called OLAP tables. That means this is analytical data, okay. And then from the analytical tables, reports will generate. Reports will generate. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Are you clear? Understanding what I'm saying? Understanding, please. Non-IT people. Non-IT people, understanding, please. Yes, guys. So this is a proper process of. This is a process of generating the. This is a process of generating the reports. Ultimately, these and all this ETL tool and reporting tools will come under data warehouse or business intelligence. Or until and unless, see why ETL tools are popular nowadays, because data, until and unless data is there. Nowadays, the whole world is rely on data. The whole world is. One second, please. One second. One minute, guys. Yeah, okay. So the whole, what I am saying, the whole world is rely on the data. Without data, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Without data, No, nothing is exist. So until and unless data is available in world, so ETL tools will be available. ETL tools will be available. Are you clear, please? Everyone are you clear? Who work in? So we are all ETL developers. Okay. In real time, in a data warehousing project, two kinds of people will be there: ETL developers, report developers. ETL developers will work on what? ETL developers will work on ETL tools. Reporting developers will work on reporting tools. Reporting developers will work on reporting tools. Okay. If you see now, okay. You see this, please. So different ETL tools. We are learning about ETL tools. Business intelligence. As I told you, okay, we are all learning business intelligence. Okay. So there is a technology called business intelligence. That is just a business intelligence. What is this? Business intelligence. Okay, business intelligence. Business intelligence. Under business intelligence, we are having ETL tools and reporting tools. Under business intelligence, okay, data warehouse will come. Under business intelligence, data warehouse will come. Under business intelligence, data warehouse. Okay, that is data warehouse. Okay, the data warehouse will come. Under data warehouse, we have ETL tools. We have reporting tools. You are all working as a ETL developer. Reporting tools, you no need to learn. You are all working as a ETL developer. So what are ETL tools available in market? Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Informatica Cloud. Informatica Cloud is also called ISCS. Talent. Okay. Talent. Ab initio. Data stage. Ab initio. Data stage. Okay. And there are many tools are there. There are Snowflake. Okay. Matillion nowadays. Matillion. These are all called ETL tools. These are all different ETL tools. There are different ETL tools. And yeah, MSBI also. Reporting tools are like OBIE, Oracle Business Suite Integrate, something OBIE, then Power BI, Tableau. These are called reporting tools. These are called and Cognos, Cognos, okay, SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Okay, so these are all called reporting tools. So as an Informatica developer, you will be working on only ETL tools. Only ETL tool, that is Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, so these are all the different types of ETL tools available in market. Informatica, SAS, Splint, Ab initio, ODI, Data Stage, SAP View Object, SSIS, Talent. These are all the different ETL tools available. By using any ETL tool, we can extract the data. Transform the data, and load it to the data, and unload to the data. Now before going to that data, as I told you, now data. Okay, there is a data. Okay, data is there. Data is two forms. Data will come under two forms. What are those? Tables or files. Okay, tables or files. Okay, let's take tables. Okay, let's take tables. Suppose these are tables. There are different tables. This is one table. This is another table. There are different tables. Now, as I told you, collection of tables is called a database. Collection of tables is called a database. Correct. So this is a database. So these are all having tables. This is a database. Now, how to access the data from database? That means I want to see the table in my system. Suppose Big Bazaar people entered the transactions. So those went to one table. How to see the table? How to see the table, guys? How to see those tables? I am not discussing about files, please. I am discussing about only tables. Okay, table name is there. How to see those tables? There are tables are there. There are tables are there using database servers. There will be, we have different database servers. So where this database is going and present under the database server, we have different database servers available in market. Database servers. What are those? Database servers. What are the popular databases in market? The popular is Oracle. Okay, SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, MySQL, Teradata. Okay, then what are the databases you know? What are the databases you know? Teradata, MySQL, SQL Server. Next, Sybase. Yeah, Sybase also a database. Sybase. Next, any other database you know? Greenplum. Yes, Greenplum. Okay, Snowflakes. Yes, Snowflakes also a database. Snowflakes. Yes. Okay. MongoDB. Nowadays, MongoDB, Cassandra DB. Okay, Cassandra DB. Okay, these are the different. These are the DB2. Yes, DB2 also a database. Okay, these are all the database servers available in the market. These are the NoSQL. Yeah, all those things are called database. All those things, okay, are called database servers. So when you install the database server in your system, then only you can store the tables in the database. Store the tables in the database. So in Big Bazaar, there will be one server in Big Bazaar. So total India, there will be one server. There will be one server. There will be a supercomputer, I can say. One server will be there. Under that server, they will be installed. Suppose Oracle, for example, Oracle DB server. Okay, you are installing, right? While you are installing Informatica, you are installing Oracle, right? Are you installing Oracle while you are installing Informatica? Did you install? Yes. That is the database server. That is the database server. That is the database server. Under the database server, tables will store. Now, to access the database, we require a tool called Oracle SQL Developer. Oracle SQL Developer is just a tool. Oracle SQL Developer, we require what is a Toad? Toad. Okay, these two are the tools which will connect to database server, and we will get the data. Okay, so what it is actually, where these tables are stored? Okay, you are saying the tables are stored in which format? Rows and columns. Okay, where it is stored? How you will see in the system? To store them, we should have a database server. So in the Big Bazaar, there'll be one, the main branch or whatever they will be maintaining in there. Okay, in there, what they will do? They will okay, install database server like you, whatever you have installed. Same way, they will also install. Once they install, okay, what will happen? Once they install, okay, so these tables we can see by using Oracle SQL Developer. These are called front-end tools. Okay, this is back-end. We can see it. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? If you are very good at Oracle, you can work in any other database. You no need to learn all the databases. If you learn Oracle clearly, then you can easily understand. You can easily understand the other databases also, because almost syntax is same. Little difference is there. That's it. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding, please. Understanding. So now we are all learning Informatica. In our training, we are all learning Informatica. We are all learning Informatica. Okay. What is Informatica actually? Informatica also a software company. Informatica also a software company. It is a product-based company. Informatica is a product-based company, which is headquarters located in US. It is American-based company. Informatica is a American-based company. American-based company. It developed Informatica PowerCenter, which you are learning. From past 20-25 years, Informatica PowerCenter is there. Okay, but it is not lost its importance. Still, many people are using Informatica PowerCenter. Still many projects, many companies are using Informatica projects. So we'll see what is product-based company and all. We'll see later. So as of now, what I am trying to say. So Informatica PowerCenter is a ETL tool developed by Informatica company. Like Informatica PowerCenter, there are different ETL tools developed by Informatica. What are those? IACS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, that is Informatica Cloud. Informatica ILM, Information Lifecycle Management. Informatica BDM, Big Data Management. Informatica MDM, Master Data Management. TDM, Test Data Management. IDQ, Informatica Data Quality. These are all the tools developed by Informatica company. These are all the tools, okay, owned by Informatica company. To learn any of these tools, Informatica PowerCenter is required. Informatica PowerCenter is basics. If you don't know Informatica PowerCenter, you cannot work on BDM, you cannot work on IDQ, you cannot work on MDM, you cannot work on cloud. So you have to first learn Informatica PowerCenter, then only you need to go to any other tool in Informatica. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding, please? Okay, so these are the tools available in Informatica. We are learning the middle one, Informatica PowerCenter. You are learning Informatica PowerCenter in this training. After this training, you will be going as a Informatica developer or ETL developer to any project. You are a Informatica developer or a ETL developer. So the purpose of learning this course, what is the purpose of this learning course? Okay, to develop the ETL things, to extract the data from source, transform it and load it to target. That is the work. You will do it in the daily basis by using Informatica PowerCenter. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yeah, okay. Now, as I told you about ETL, see, ETL means extract the data from source systems, transform it, load it to destination or a target or a data warehouse See, ETL process. What is ETL process means? Extract the data from a file or a table or any other database, transform it and load it to a data warehouse. See, extract. OLTP databases. OLTP databases means wherever the cashiers enter, the cashiers are entering, that will come into the databases, different databases. Okay, and those we can transform it. Transform it means cleaning the data, duplication of the data, converting the data, summarizing the data, aggregating the data, integration of the data, okay, and load it to data warehouse. After that, they will generate the reports. After that, they will generate the reports. Are you clear, please? You no need to generate the reports. Reporting people will generate the reports. Reporting people will generate the reports. You no need to generate the report. Are you clear, please? You no need to generate the report. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? DWH means data warehouse. What is full refresh? We'll see later. What is full refresh? We'll see later. Okay. We work on Informatica and Oracle both. We will work on in real time. You should work on in real time. A ETL developer can work on what and all he can work on. An ETL developer will work on these three things. An ETL developer will work on these three things. What a ETL developer will work on? He will work on Informatica. That means whatever the ETL tool we are learning, we are learning, so that he will work on Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Then he will work on any database. Database is mandatory, either Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, anything. But if you know Oracle, good, if you are very good at Oracle, you can learn any other database very easily, and Unix. Okay, these three things you need to learn. Okay, Unix is very small portion is required, just basic commands. A Informatica developer means he will work on these things. Informatica developer will work on these three things in real time. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, please. Understanding? Understanding, guys? Everyone? So, what is OLTP? What is OLAP? So, OLTP will be used by cashiers. Okay, OLTP will be having less number of data. OLAP is having huge number of data. Anyways, what is OLTP? What is OLAP? We'll see later. Okay, we'll see later. After Informatica PowerCenter, no need to learn anything. Just go ahead and try with Informatica PowerCenter only. We'll get the jobs. You will get the jobs. Who will develop the tools? Informatica will develop the tools. Informatica is already developed the tools. Informatica is developed already these tools. Informatica is already developed these tools. You need to use them. You are learning how to use Informatica. How to use Informatica you are learning. You are learning how to use Informatica. Are you clear, please, everyone? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Understanding today's session, please. You got it, some idea what exactly you are learning, why you are learning. Because when you are learning something, you should know the purpose of learning. You should know the purpose of learning. You should know the purpose of learning. Okay. Yeah, we have to go with Informatica PowerCenter tool. We have to go with Informatica PowerCenter tool. Okay. One second, please. Give me a second, please. Yeah, okay. I'll give the example. Anyways, yeah, I given the Big Bazaar example, no? I given the Big Bazaar example. Okay. So I given the Big Bazaar example. What? By using ETL tool, what? They will be having the raw data. They will be having a raw data. By using ETL tool, we will take it and we will transform and we will load it to targets. Okay, from the targets, ETL people will, business report, that means reporting people will generate the reports. The reporting people will generate the reports. That is how it will work. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Whatever the database server, maybe Oracle database server they are using. We don't know which database server they use. Okay. So whatever the database server they use, the data will store under that database server. The data will store under that database server. Whatever the data, okay, whatever the database server they will use, the tables will be stored under that database server. That database server. Are you clear, please, everyone? Everyone, are you clear? What is use of Unix? I will tell later. I will tell later what is the unit, what kind of modification. That's what I told, right? What kind of modification here? There are many types of modification. We can join the tables. We can clean the tables. We can delete the duplicates. We can convert the data. We can summarize the data. We can aggregate the data. Those are the modifications we will do normally. Those are the modifications we will do normally. Those are the modifications we will do normally. Are you clear, please, everyone? Understanding, guys? Everyone able to understanding, please? Clear, guys? Yeah. Are you clear? Everyone, please. So is my session is understandable? Is it clear? Is my session is understandable, please? Am I going fast? Am I going slow? Am I going fast or slow? Clear? Okay. Now we will see some few database concepts. We'll see today. We'll see today few database concepts. Okay. Now, as I told you, okay. Oracle database. Okay. We have a Oracle database. This is Oracle database. This is Oracle database. This is Oracle database server. Oracle DB server. This is Oracle DB server. Okay. In Oracle DB server, tables will be present. Tables will be present. Now, if you want to access the tables, if you want to see the data in the tables, or if you want to create a table, you need a front-end tool called Oracle SQL Developer. You need a front-end tool called Oracle. Suppose this is Oracle SQL Developer. You need a front-end tool called Oracle SQL Developer. So what we need to do? Okay, by using Oracle SQL Developer, we will get the what? We can see the data directly. You cannot go to the Oracle SQL Developer. Directly, you cannot go to the Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, what you need to do is, okay, 1 second, please. 1 second. Give me a second, please. Yeah. So by using Oracle SQL Developer, whatever you installed already, right? First you will install Oracle. Then first you will install Oracle. Okay. While you are installing Oracle, once you install Oracle, you install Oracle SQL Developer also. By using Oracle SQL Developer, by using SQL Developer or Toad also another tool, we will get the data to. We can see the data. Now, okay, fine, leave it. Okay. Now, a database. Now we'll come to the database. Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. Okay. Now Oracle is having two parts. Okay. What is this? It is Oracle. So this is Oracle. Oracle is having two parts. What are those? This is Oracle. Oracle is having two parts. This is Oracle. Oracle is having two parts, SQL and PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL. What are those? SQL and PLSQL. SQL means Oracle is having two parts. SQL means structured query language. Structured query language is SQL. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. So to learn Informatica, to do the job in Informatica, if you learn SQL, that is more than enough. If you learn SQL, that is more than enough. Okay. So we are learning here now SQL and Informatica, both we will learn in our training. Now what is now? So now, as I told you, Oracle is a database. What is this? Oracle is a database. Database means collection of tables. Where exactly these actually a database? Suppose if you take a database is a collection of schema. Database is a collection of schema. Any database is collection of schema. Okay. This is one schema. Okay. This is another schema. Like this, we have different schemas. Now, what is a schema? Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects. What are the database objects? Examples of database objects. What are the examples of database objects? Examples of database objects. Okay. Examples of database objects are, what are database objects means? Okay. So below are the database objects: tables, views, okay, synonyms, okay, procedures. Okay. So whatever, tables, views, synonyms, indexes. Okay. These are all called database objects. So this is schema 1, schema 2, schema 3. So database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of database objects. So now tables will be stored under schema. So this is table 1. This is table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5 in schema 1. Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5 in schema 2. Table 1, table 2, table 3 in schema 3. Okay. Ultimately, in Oracle, any database, Oracle database or any database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of database objects. Tables are one of the database objects. So tables will be stored under where? Tables will be stored under Tables will be stored under where, please? Tables will be stored under. Tables will be stored under schema. Tables will be stored under schema. 1 second, please. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. Okay. So what I meant to say, so tables will be stored under schema. So, and schemas will be stored under database. Schemas will be stored under database. Schemas will be stored under database. Okay. Database is a collection of schema. Inside the database, different schemas will be there. Inside the schemas, different tables will be there. Different tables will be there. Are you clear, please? Are you clear, everyone? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Database objects are tables, views, synonyms, indexes. These are all called database objects. So table is one of the database object. Table is one of the database object. Okay. Now, to access this schema, schema is related to SQL. Schema is related to SQL. To access this schema, okay, we will use Oracle SQL Developer. This one you have used, right? To access the schema, we will use Oracle SQL Developer. We will use Oracle SQL Developer. We will use Oracle SQL Developer. Open Oracle SQL Developer. Once you open the Oracle SQL Developer, once you open the Oracle SQL Developer, check this. These are all schemas. HR, InfoDom, InfoRepo. Okay, all these are schemas. Under each schema, so this Oracle is a database. Under this database, there are different types of schemas. Now, what are the database objects? These are all the database objects. Tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, queries, all these are called database objects. So now tables will be stored under schema. Schema will be stored under database. Tables will be stored under schema. Tables will be stored under schema. Schema will be stored under database. Schema will be stored under database. Files will not related to database, please. Files will never related to database. Files is a different concept. I will tell later. As of now, we are discussing only database. We are discussing only database. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? What is an ETL tool? What is the data? What is the database? What is OLTP? What is OLAP? Okay. So how we will use it? All those things, did you understand, please? All those things, are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Okay. Normally, while you launch Informatica, you are unable to suppose. Okay, now I am saying schema is a collection of database objects, please. Schema is a, as I told you, see, database is a collection of schema. Okay, schema is a collection of database objects. Leave over database objects. Schema is a collection of tables. So inside the database, schema will be present. Inside the schema, tables will be present. That's what I told here. That's what I shown here. Okay. So database is this is one schema. This is schema 1. This is schema 1. This is schema 1. This is schema 2. This is schema 2. This is schema 3. Okay. In each schema, there are different tables will be there. So this is table 1. This is table 1. This is table 2. Table 3. Okay. Table 1. Table 2. Table 3. Like this, in each schema, different tables will be there. Different tables will be there. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding, guys? User and schema both are same. User and schema both are same. Okay. Okay. So now see, if you get any error in Informatica, suppose you are unable to open Informatica administrator page, or you are unable to connect to Informatica repository, Informatica PowerCenter. Once you install, I am telling about installation. Okay. So once you are doing the installation, once you complete the installation, you are unable to open Informatica PowerCenter, or you are unable to connect to Informatica PowerCenter Designer. What you need to do? First, go to services. Go to search services. Go to services. Once you go to the services, select here. First, scroll down and see Oracle services. Oracle. Scroll down and see there are 5 services available in Oracle. What are those? Oracle Job Scheduler XC, Oracle Job Scheduler XC, okay, Oracle Job Scheduler XC, Oracle MTR Recovery Service, Service XC, CLR Agent, XLR CLR Agent. So these 5 are there. In this, the last 3 should be in running status. Leave about the first 2. Oracle Job Scheduler XC. If it run, if you don't run, nothing will happen. Second one, if it is not running, leave it. If any of these are not running, Oracle XC, Oracle CLR Agent, Oracle TNS Listener, if any of these are not running, right click on it, start. Right click on it, start one by one all these 3. The last 3, there are total 5. Leave the first 2 and select and check last 3 are running or not. If these are running, if these 3 are running, then no need to change anything. If they are in like this, if they are in empty state, then you need to right click on it, start, you need to put. Once you start, it will start running. Wait for 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. Waiting is very important, please. Once after 2 minutes over, scroll up for Informatica services. In Informatica, there is only one service will be available. In Informatica, only one service will be available, that is Informatica 10.2.0. That should be in running status. If it is not in running status, right click on it, start. Right click on it, start. Once you start, it will start and wait for 2 minutes again. Waiting is very important, please. Waiting is very important. Okay. How to check whether if you are able to connect to Informatica, if you are able to connect to repository manager or designer, if you are able to, when you click on connect and when you give administrator admin, then you might know that installation is completed. I already told that also in the video. Are you clear, please? Are you clear what you need to do? Everyone? So first, check the Oracle services. Every day you need to check if it is not working. If it is not working, then the first step you need to do is go and check these Oracle services are running. Okay, if these Oracle last 3 are running, then go for Informatica service and start it. Wait for 2 minutes. After Oracle services, wait for 2 minutes. After Informatica services, wait for 2 minutes. Then it will automatically connect. Then it will connect. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Understanding, please. In real time, leave it. Real time, what to do, we'll see later. Okay. Now, today again, I sent a Zoom link because people are joining. Today I sent a Zoom link, but from day after tomorrow, the next session is on Wednesday. So from Wednesday, I will not send the Zoom link. From Wednesday, I will not send the Zoom link. How to get the Zoom link? Go to your website, go to your Google Chrome, and first log in with your Gmail ID. Once you log in with your Gmail ID, open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com. Okay. After opening rajinformatica.com, sign in. Okay. You have to sign in first. Open rajinformatica.com. Then log in with Google. You check it. Log in with Google. Check your login account. Check your Google account and select OK. Once you select OK, one second, please. Once you select OK, you need to go to students, join live session. Students, join live session. Daily basis, before joining, go to students join live session 14th morning batch. 14th morning batch, you need to check. 14th morning batch, you need to check and scroll down. Here we have meeting ID password. Take this meeting ID password and put it in the Zoom software and join from Wednesday. From Wednesday, I will not send any Zoom link quick. Okay. So it will be available. Whoever not the access, you will get the access. To see the course content, okay, you need to go to students, enrolled courses. Go to students, enrolled courses. Go to students, enrolled courses. Select your 14th batch morning. Select your 14th batch morning. Select your 14th batch morning. Now see, scroll down. Okay. First, start learning. You need to click start learning. 1 second, please. I'm getting a call. 1 second, guys. Hello. Yeah. So you need to first click on start learning. Click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, here you can see lesson 1. Lesson 1, you can see. Lesson 1, the video will be available. Lesson 1, and also the material will be there. Till lesson 8, 9 or 10, I will give the videos. After that, you should not ask the videos. Till 9, I will give the videos. Till 8 or 9. Okay, after that, you need to. Okay, you should not. Okay. So how to see the video? Today video, I'll upload in the lesson 2. Come to where you need to come. Go to rajinformatica.com. Go to rajinformatica.com. Okay. And go to enrolled courses. Okay. Log into rajinformatica.com. 1 second, please. See, if you have any problem while opening rajinformatica.com, you have to clear your cache. How to clear your cache? Go to here, click on these 3 things. Okay, then settings. Here, privacy and security. Then clear browsing data. Click on all these things. Okay, and clear data. Once you clear data, restart your Chrome. Close your Chrome and open. What to do? Go to Google Chrome. Okay, open this settings. Under settings, click on privacy and security. Under that, click on clear browsing data, and you have to clear all this browsing data and close the window and open again. Then you will be able to watch it quickly. Okay. Now, so to join the live session, go to students, join live session. To see the previous videos, go to students, enrolled courses. Go to students, enrolled courses. Okay, enter this. You select your morning batch because people are in morning batch. Okay, select this. Once you select this, okay, here start learning. You need to check on start learning. Click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, okay, here lesson 1. Here installation steps are there. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. So the video, and also click here to download means the material will download or it will open here. Are you clear, please? Everyone, what to do? So whoever tomorrow class is not there, I told first one week or 1.5 week, alternative days. First 1 week or 1.5 week, it will be alternative days. So that is why. So tomorrow, next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Friday. Next session is on Monday. We'll see Monday onwards regular, or we'll take 1 or 2 days extra. Okay. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? So don't worry, you are new to Oracle, you are new to Informatica. At the initial stages, it will be difficulty only, or it will be confusing only. Don't worry, by going, you will clear all your doubts. Okay, I'll clear all your doubts. Don't worry about it. So, but you are able to understand my training, please. Are you able to understand my training? What is Renuka? What is your question? Instead of pinging, you are not answering. Please ask your question again. There are total 321 people are there. Okay. So I might have missed your chat. Can you ping again, Renuka? Can you ping again? Services. Start services. Go to here search with services, then open services, then check. This is how you need to start the services. Renuka, what is your question, please? Renuka, what is your question, please? 1 second. We will get notes after a session. Every session you will get notes. Every session you will get notes. See, please, here. Every session you will get notes. Every session you will get the notes. Okay. Every session you will get the notes. Session 9 till 9 sessions, I'll give the video. Okay. After that, I'll give the material. I'll give the material. It will be enabled for you. I'll give the material. I'll give the material for all the sessions. All the sessions, I'll give the material. Are you clear, please? I will give the notes, today's notes. Okay. How can we check Informatica installed or not? Go to start. Okay. PowerCenter. You search with PowerCenter. PowerCenter. Okay. Then it'll open here. Or if you have start button, go to start all apps. Go to start all apps. Then Informatica 10.2.0. Here you should have see all these things. Okay. Then your Informatica installation is checked. MongoDB, we can load unstructured. In Informatica, we can load. Informatica will support Informatica will support unstructured data also. Okay. Yes, please. Everyone clear, guys? Yeah, all the approvals, everything, all the access. I'll send the. See, today's notes you need to see here. Go to lesson 2. Go to lesson 2. This is old batch notes. Today I will update today's video. Our video I will update here today's video, and I will upload today's notes here. Okay, here you need to see the notes. Okay. Here you will get the today's notes. If you're here, it will get the today's notes. Schema is related to SQL. Schema is related to SQL. ETL server, ETL tool is same. Correct. ETL server, ETL tool is same. Within 1 hour, notes will get updated. Within 1 hour, notes will get updated. So I will send the practice groups. Okay. I'll send the practice groups. You can join the practice groups, and you can practice from Wednesday. You can practice from Wednesday. I'll create practice groups today and I'll send it. Segment of schema, what we'll see. What is DDMS? DBMS, database management system. Okay, InfoDem, info report schema. Yes, InfoDem, info DOM and info report schemas. Correct. How to pin the taskbar? How to pin? Suppose if you want to pin any application to taskbar, you can Google search. You can Google search. You can easily get it. Go to Workflow Manager. Suppose I want to pin Workflow Manager. First, open the Workflow Manager. Right click on it, pin to taskbar. That's it. If you close also, it will be here only. If you close also, it will be here only. Okay, that's all. Both are same, almost same. Relational database, DBMS, both are also same. Sys also a schema. Sys also is a schema. Okay. See, if I unmute everyone will speak. So when we have more people, there is no other option. You need to chat. There is no other option, please. Okay. I will guide you everything. Don't worry. I'll guide you everything. Telegram channel we'll see later. ILM is not ETL tool. It's an Informatica tool. It's not a Informatica tool. Okay. What is the purpose of those? I will tell. What is the purpose of indexes views? I will tell those things. What is the difference between cloud and PC? I will tell those things. Okay. How can we search designer? Go to start all apps. Informatica PowerCenter here. Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, then select your app. It will open. Every company has ETL developer. Yes, every company is having ETL developer. Yes, almost all big companies having ETL developers. Okay. I'll tell you what 100 students, 1000 students, what to do. We'll tell. Okay. It is already available in the I given a step-by-step notes, step-by-step video of installing Informatica. If you are unable to install Informatica, ping me. My team will help you. What is the use of Unix? We'll see later. What is the use of Unix? We'll see later. So from Wednesday, working sessions will start. Please install as soon as possible. Please install as soon as possible. As soon as, yes, same version we will use in real time. Okay. I will assistance. I will give job assistance. I told. I'll give the resume. I'll give the interview questions. I'll give everything. You need to clear your interview. Okay. Yes, please. See, listening is not possible here. Please, listening is not possible because when I unmute, if I unmute one person, every person I should unmute. It will be never ending. It will take 5 hours to complete our session. So whatever is there, okay, market is very good for Informatica. Whatever is there, you can post. I will reply. Whatever the questions you have, you can chat here. I will reply. I'll reply. Okay, because there is. I will tell what is OLTP, OLAP. I will tell again. I will tell again. Okay, Oracle comments. I will tell from the next sessions. I'll tell from the next sessions. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Everyone, are you clear? I will guide everything. Please don't worry. Documentation, everything I will guide. Everything I will guide. Please go through my video for installation. I already have a video. There is no point of explaining again. If you are unable to hear, if you are unable to understand, ping me. My team will help you. My team will help you. Okay. And whoever installed, please help others. Whoever installed, please help others. Whoever installed, other than installation, I will tell later. I will tell all those things later. I will tell all those things later, please. So today you got a good knowledge today on data warehousing. Today, did you get the good knowledge? Yeah, your message is visible for me. Somebody asking, is my message is visible? Yes, every message is visible for me. Okay. Yeah, it will be available in website. Tests will be available in website. I'll enable the tests in the website. I'll enable the tests in the website. Okay. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Everyone? Are you clear? I did not enable. I did not enable. I'll enable that. I'll enable it. Okay. I'll enable the tests. Okay. You cannot open enrolled courses. Please wait. Today you will get it. Today you will get it. Okay. Yes, please. Daily topic interview questions I'll give. I'll give the daily topics interview questions. Okay. Yes, guys. So please install Informatica. Whoever installed. Okay. Whoever installed, please help others. Please help others. Yes, calls are virtual only. Calls are virtual only. Okay. Yes, please. Clear, guys? It will be there in the website. You can write anywhere, anytime. It will be there in the website. You can write anytime. You can write anytime. Topic-wise test will be there. You can write anytime. Okay, fine, guys. So enrollment IDs are not there. No enrollment IDs. No enrollment IDs. You will get the access directly. That's it. Okay, guys. Fine then. Yeah, unlimited attempts. Unlimited attempts, you can do it. No problem. No problem, please. Okay. There will be in the website, there are tests. I will enable the tests. You can write the test after each class. After each class, you can write the test. Okay. Yes, please. Okay. We are all Informatica developers, not SQL developer, Informatica developers. Fine, guys. So we'll see you on Wednesday. We'll see you on Wednesday, guys. Okay. From Wednesday, don't miss. From Wednesday, don't miss, please. From Wednesday, don't miss. Clear, guys? So today is the second session. Today is the second session. Third session will be there on the 12th of, on Wednesday, third session will be there on 12th. So please, what Krishna, what do you want me to reply? What do you want me to reply? What do you want me to reply, Krishna? Yara Krishna, what do you want me to reply? Unable to install, please text me. WhatsApp me, my team will help you. Please WhatsApp me, I will tell you. How many servers are there? We'll see later. We'll see all those things later, please. Okay. Fine, guys. See you on Wednesday then. See you on Wednesday. I'll tell about how the real-time servers, all those things. I'll tell. I'll give first and second videos in these things. Fine, guys. Yeah. I'll send the notes. I will send the notes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah. Thanks, please. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye.